How to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on mobile screen. For that, first of all, you have to check if you have updated version of WhatsApp or not. To check this, you have to simply launch App Store on your device. Then, on the searching bar, search for WhatsApp application. From there, see if there is any Update Now button. If you see Update Now button instead of Open, then simply hit on that to update your application. Once you do that, you have to launch your settings on your device and then scroll down. There you'll see WhatsApp application available. Tap on that and go through the notifications and make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. Once you do both of this, check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still there, then go to the general from settings and hit on iPhone storage. From there, go through the WhatsApp. There you'll see two options. Among them, choose offload app and do offload app and reinstall it again. And then your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.